Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to redeem a PayPal gift card in 2025. I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to redeem a PayPal gift card through mobile app redemption. Now the first step you need to take is to launch the PayPal app on your mobile device. Next, you should select Add Funds from the bottom navigation menu. Next, you have to choose or tap on Gift Card as the funding source. Next, you have to enter the gift card information by typing in the gift card number and PIN if required. The fifth step is to check the gift card balance to ensure it is valid and has sufficient funds. So always verify the gift card balance before you use it. Then the next step is to add the gift card funds to your PayPal balance by tapping Add to transfer the gift card funds to your PayPal balance. It's as simple as that. That is how to redeem a PayPal gift card using mobile app redemption.